Dr. Teri has a very interesting approach. She allows me to discover for myself where I'm trying to go, what I'm trying to get at, by asking some very interesting questions. She doesn't try to lead me anywhere, which I really like. So what ends up happening is that my path sort of naturally unfolds before me. It's kind of interesting and almost magical in a way, where I discover things about myself or about what is troubling me, or a blocker that I hadn't even thought about, I didn't even know that I had, will just come about based on just her asking a series of questions and walking me through things and not letting me off the hook, saying everything's fine and all that stuff. So it's just a natural unfolding that I think is really organic and very powerful.